friends, after a long time I am posting this new series of videos which is totally based on the ROS, which is robotic operating system. So let's see how we can install the ROS. For that we need the best operating system which supports ROS is Ubuntu, and there are many versions of ROS available, and the most used version till date is ROS Melodic. So we are going to install ROS Melodic. So let's start installation. So first of all, go into the ROS installation page, then go to its official website. After the official website, see there are various ROS distributions are available here. So basically the most supported version for the ROS, the Ubuntu 18.04 is ROS Melodic. So we are going to install the ROS Melodic here. After going on the its official website, you will find the selection of platform. So basically I am on the Ubuntu platform, so I am using Ubuntu. After going on the Ubuntu, open the terminal. After opening the terminal, you have to just type sudo apt get update. It will ask for the authentication, and you have to give it the authentication. It will start updating. So basically, before installation of ROS, you just have to type this command and check whether there are any unupdated packages available on this. And if there are many unupdated packages, you have to just update them. Then you have to start the installation of ROS. After that, now I have updated, and you can see there are no list of updated packages, unupdated packages. So I'm going to start the installation. You have to just I'll just put this aside, and then just try set up the resources list. So now you can copy these commands here, and you can just paste it. So basically, while installation, you will face many problems. Like unmet dependencies are the most common problems you will face while installation of this ROS. So if you are facing any of this problem, you can comment down below. If I will face anything at this moment, see how I search for the problem and solve it. And it's not a big deal to solve that problem. It's very easy. So I'll just copy and paste all these commands. It will try to install its own. So now then again I will check for the sudo apt update. After that, I recommend you to install the desktop full install version, as it will provide all the libraries, all the packages, as well as the simulators, the gazebo, and everything it will be provided in it. And you have to not install it individually. So, and as it is installed along with the ROS, it will be fully compatible with the ROS Melodic which you are installing. So I'll just install desktop full version of the ROS. So I'll copy it and I'll just paste it here. I'll just enter it here. Yeah. Now it's started. Just give it. Do you want to continue? Then yes. After that, it will start installation. It will take a lot of time depending on the internet speed you have, and after that you will just see how the packages. There are various packages which are being downloaded and which are being installed in your system. So after that installation, there are various other steps which I will be showing. Just we will be waiting for the installation to complete. So I'll just speed up the video, so it will not take a lot of time and it will not make the video longer. So basically, we are going to learn each and everything about the ROS. What I know is that there are no proper resources which we can use to learn ROS, and there are many confusion creating things on the internet which totally uh, breaks down the motivation we have while learning the ROS. So this will be the video series which will teach everything about the ROS. So we basically will start with the basic programming using Python. Python will be best for the programming of ROS. So we'll after seeing the basic, we'll go on to some advanced version like using OpenCV with it. Then we'll be seeing various other libraries. We'll implement machine learning, artificial intelligence using ROS. So there are various other possibilities you can do with ROS. So let's just jump into this world of robotic operating system. And basically I would like to tell you that this is not an operating system, it's just a firmware. It's not a real-time operating system. So we'll wait for the installation to complete and then we'll go further. So now the installation is complete and you can see here. After the installation has been completed, you have to just set up the environment so that the terminal can know that whenever you start the terminal, there is need to launch the ROS environment. So basically, to avoid this thing every time, so you just set up the environment, and this is how you set up the environment. You have to just go to the environment setup, the 1.5 section number 1.5 environment setup, and in that you have to just type all this command. You have to copy and you have to just paste it here. Now if you after typing this, you have just set up your environment and you have told your terminal that this terminal can be used for the ROS. So now just you have to install all the dependencies for building packages. So basically whenever you create a new package, you have to install various other dependencies. Means you are going to use Python for programming, you are going to use C++ for programming, or any other packages. You are going to import any other packages from the other sources. So and you have to use that packages in your environment. So you can do all these things. So for that you have to just install all the dependencies needed for it. So basically I am going to use ROS Python, and it is very easy to use in this environment. So basically I am going to install the dependencies of ROS, and here most important thing, the supported Python version is Python 2.4, near about Python 2.4 and Python, and basically now it is going to be shifted on Python 3, but not yet. So I'll tell how you can tell the ROS environment that this is what I am going to use the version of Python. So when we are going to make various nodes and topics, I'll be showing how you can tell the environment. So which Python version you have to use. So basically I'll give the authentication here for installing the dependencies for package building. So it asks permission for that, and now it has started installation. So basically it will take very less time, so as it is very small package, and then you have to install it, and after that everything is done and you have cleanly installed the ROS, and you can see that how it performs. So I'll just explain you all the things you'll need in this series, and how you can learn all the ROS basics. Everything I'll be covering in this video series. So now the download has been completed. Now I am going to install the Python dependency. So with the command sudo apt install python ROS depository. So now with the following you can initialize the ROS. Now you need to initialize the ROS environment. So how you can initialize with this command ROS dep init and ROS update. So this is what now ROS has been updated. It's going to update its things. Yeah, you'll see all the things coming on the terminal here. It's very easy, and many of you, while installation of the ROS, you are going to face the unmanned dependencies problem, which is very common, and you can find n number of solutions on that problem. And if you are not able to find any of the solution, just comment down below in the comment section. I'll definitely answer the question, because I have felt many of the time with the same problem, and I have found solution very easily. So now the installation of ROS is totally completed, and now you can see that after typing ROS core, so this is the command which initializes ROS core, and various other topics are registered themselves to the ROS core, and then the communication between various nodes starts. So now you can see after initializing the ROS core service started. Likewise, the message comes, means the installation of ROS is totally completed in your system, and this is how you can install ROS on your system. Basically, now we have completed the installation of ROS. So in the upcoming videos, we are going to see everything related to basic of ROS, like creating the package, creating the nodes, creating the actions, the topics, creating custom messages, and n number of other basic topics we are going to cover in this video. So hope you stay tuned to this video series, and if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe and support the channel for its future existence. So thanks for watching.